Okay, Mike. Follow me here. I'm guessing a pair of wolves, a pack of wolves, entered the house through some open door or window, attacked in the dead of night.
We haven't found any hair that supports that hypothesis.
Maybe they cleaned
Cleaning
the crime scene. Damn voice commands.
Council.
Let's get back to the wolf idea later. How about this? A gang of circus-trained clowns use their acrobatic antics to gain access to the attic. They moved down to plunder the kitchen. There was a firefight.
There are no shells here, boss. Or bullet holes.
Okay, I think I got it now. Maybe not clowns, but a lone intruder, or several, dressed as delivery men. They knocked at the door and...
It's plum juice, boss.
Hello?
This is Young Street 34.
This is 43.
Wrong house. What a twist.
Set the scene with Flic Twist. Advanced smart home control so easy to use that even children and guests can handle it. No voice commands or phones needed. Flic Twist is the first of its kind wireless smart dial that you can place anywhere. Use the simple interactions push, rotate, and push-rotate to control every aspect of your smart home. Use push and rotate for family-friendly controls and push-rotate to unleash features never seen before in a smart home. Control lights, blend between scenes, change volumes, and much more. With support for the new smart home standard Matter, Flic Twist will be able to control pretty much anything from almost every major brand. No voice commands to remember, no apps or logins to share, and no instructions to explain.
Hi everyone, my name is Amir. I'm going to be showing you the Flic Twist prototype in action. Here we have our test bench for trying the new features during the development. We're using the existing Flic Hub LR, which is actually going to be running the same code as we'll be running on the Flic Hub Mini. We're using that together with a Philips Hue bulb, but let's walk you through this step by step. Let's start with the Flic app. As some of you might know, we already have a Flic app which is already available for the Flic button. Here we have a new alpha app that we're developing where we've built some basic functionality for the Twist. Let's start by adding the Flic Hub. The first time you connect a Flic Hub, it's a straightforward process without the need for a password. Since we've connected to this one before, we're going to be pasting the password. Connect to the hub. This is where we add the Flic Twist, and the Flic Twist setup process is just as simple as connecting a Flic button. You press add, and then you press the button, and it connects. So we press finish. Here's an overview of the Flic Twist. We have one connected here, so we press that. This is the interactions screen. So you have the different interactions with rotate, push, and double push. Let's select rotate. Here we have different features such as brightness, hue, saturation, color temperature, volume, blinds, and we also have the advanced dimming, scene blender, and selector. Let's go ahead with the brightness. Select the Philips Hue that we've set up here already. And then we go back. We select this test bulb that we've set up here, and then we press done. And there you have it. Hope you enjoyed the demo.